Hey, what's up people? Welcome again to another beginner's tutorial, and I'm gonna show you another men's style. Guys, today I'm going to show you on how to do thick flat twist lines to the back with a messy low pony. Welcome guys. So guys, welcome again. This is another beginner's tutorial, but it's more of men's styling. And remember that with men's styles, guys, we usually add volume at times, just to give that touch of style on men's look. So guys, we are going to do a thick flat twist lines to the back. For those who don't know how to do flat twist lines, guys, I've been giving tutorials on flat twist. You can go back on my channel and like cross-check my tutorials and get to learn more. So guys, today we are going to do thick flat twist lines, and that way you usually incorporate lock strands as you work backwards. This way guys, we'll be picking 2 or 3 rows, combining them together guys to come up with a flat twist line, which is kinda thick in volume. That way as you work backwards. You can as well guys pick 2 strands as you work backwards. If need be, you can as well pick 1 or 3. It depends guys. Depends with the arrangement of the lock strands and the size. Just going to secure the back guys using 1 lock strand like that. That way. That's our first line. Now we are going to do the second one guys all together. This is our second part. Just pick strands like that, twist them together all together guys, ensuring that the strands are lying low on the skull surface. Remember guys, we have just said that you can pick up to 2 strands depending on the volume of the locks and the hair density. But guys, you can clearly note that I'm even going to an extent of picking 3 or 2. That way. Just twist out guys while working backwards, ensuring that the lines are lying low on the skull surface up to the back. Up to the back. That way. That way guys. Remember on my previous tutorials guys, we have been giving flat twist tutorials whereby I've been doing single lines. Today we are doing thick flat twist, which now brings in additional lines just to make it more thick. Up to the back. That way. Then secure using 1 strand at the back. That way. Remember guys, you incorporate additional strands on your flat twist line as you work backwards. At times it might need you to pick 2 strands at a go, depending on the hair density as we have just said. And remember guys to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like my work, stay locked for more tutorials to come. Now let's do the center part. That way guys, I'm going to start with It's amazing. It's a nice look that you can give to your male clients who are doing formal sectors. It can as well fit to informal sectors, guys. So I want to advise you guys to stay locked in my channel for more tutorials for men styles to come. So kindly like my work, comment and share to your friends. And it's wow guys, you can have a look. This is our thick flat twist lines to the back. I hope guys you have learned something. This is a nice style guys that you can do to men who are going for informal sectors. You can have a look guys with the messed up look at the back here guys. Now gives our style another cute perspective. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that style has been informative. For those guys who have been wondering how you can do male styles, I promise to bring more male styles as time comes by. So in our next video guys, we shall be showing a male style. So I'd urge you guys to like my work, comment and share to your friends and stay locked. Thank you.